What if I told you a startup is offering $1 million, but not to hire people? They want to hire AI employees. Combinator-backed Firecrawl is going all in on artificial intelligence, literally posting jobs that say AI agents only. And they're not playing small. They've set aside a $1 million budget to land 3 of them. Founder Caleb Peffer says the first time they tried this earlier this year, they didn't find an AI worth hiring. But after relaunching the ads, they've already had about 50 applicants in a week. Quick reminder before we dive deeper. Hit that like button, subscribe, and drop a comment with your thoughts on whether AI can actually be an employee. Firecrawl builds a web crawling tool that scrapes data from websites for large language models. Yes, Peffer admits it's a shady part of AI where bad actors can overload sites like a DDoS attack. But Firecrawl claims to be the good guy here, with guardrails like honoring robots. Text, limiting crawl frequency, and even letting websites opt in if they want their data in chatbot results. Now about those AI job openings. First, they want a content creation agent that never sleeps, pumping out SEO-optimized blogs and tutorials, tracking engagement and improving on its own, all for $5K a month. Second, a customer support engineer agent that can respond to tickets within 2 minutes, solve issues independently, and escalate to humans when needed, also $5K a month. Third, a junior developer agent to handle GitHub issues, documentation, and code in TypeScript and Go. Again, $5K a month. But here's the twist. The $1 million budget isn't just for the agents. They also want to hire human creators who can build, maintain, and operate these AI employees. Full-time, contract, or even startups specializing in building such agents are in the running. Peffer admits the AI employee of their dreams doesn't exist yet. Maybe it never will. But his vision? The next wave of 10x engineers won't just write code. They'll manage entire armies of AI agents. And Firecrawl isn't alone. YC's job board is packed with agent developer roles. The real $1 million question, will these creations ever replace the humans building them? Watch the related video in the corner for more on AI's growing role in the workforce. And if you found this valuable, like, subscribe, and share it with someone who's wondering where the future of work is headed.